Assalamu Alaikum everyone. So the blessed month of Ramadan is here. I thought I'll share with you how I made this Ramadan calendar. It's a cloud Eid countdown calendar for my son, and it was so much fun making it. I hope you find it helpful. So let's get started. You will need a large plastic bottle, these templates and activity sheets. I made them for my son according to his age. You can print them for free. I'll link them down below. Silver sheet to make some moon. Scissor, cutter, you can use any sharp thing to make holes. Tape, nylon thread and jute twine along with this wrapping paper, hole punch, treats. I'll recommend using lightweight ones. Some cotton, battery operated lights and glue gun. So first I'm gonna cut the top off, and I'm using this lighter to just smooth the edges, but be careful as obviously fire, or maybe if you're a child, let the grown-up help you. I'm using this sharp thing. I end up using this one, but you can use anything, even a cutter. This is actually a cone on the cob holder. So I'm just poking it in and just twisting it around to make a hole a little bit bigger, not too much, because the invisible thread is very thin. Now this paper that I saved from my deliveries, I'll just make 30 round, cut them in round so that I can just wrap my treats in them. And these are the activities. I forgot to number them, but I've done it in yours one if you want to print them out. So at that time I didn't, so I just used pencil to write them in. And then I got my treat, wrap it around and just twist it and use a tape to secure it. Now here I'm putting some tape at the corner of this teardrop, so that way I can punch a hole in it, as I didn't have any laminator, so I'm laminating it basically with the tape. Now I'm gonna put some around here, just like a cross, so that it can last longer. Once we take the treat off, it can still be hanging there, just like that, and stick it onto that cross bit. Now I made all of these. I'm gonna take this invisible thread. It was a bit tricky to work with this invisible thread. You can use any other thread. Excuse my swollen hands and short breathness as I'm due in a few weeks, inshallah. So yeah. So in the bottle I did 30 holes, 6 in a row. Now I'm threading this one that I just tied, and then I'm gonna get number 2 and tie it to the other side, just like that. So I did for all of them, 6 in a row. And now to hang it, I'm gonna do 2 big holes and just use my jute twine. Just hang it like that, and it's a good idea to hang it with a hook while you're sticking this cotton on it, and even when you're sticking those treats, it's easier to work it on like that. So here I'm just using hot glue gun and just randomly putting all my cotton on it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I cut a crescent moon and few stars, just stick them on top of the cloud along with this printout, which you can also find in that document. I'll link it down below. Now I'm putting my lights in. I'm using battery operated light as it's easier to hide the battery. And I'm just gonna put this Eid countdown and along with Ramadan calendar template on top, just like that. So So there you go guys, I hope you find it helpful, and it looks so nice just looking at it, especially in the evening, iftar time. And so yeah, I hope you find it helpful. I'll be sharing more videos, so stay tuned for that. Take care for now. Fi amanillah, and have a lovely Ramadan. Assalamu Alaikum.